In the embrace of nature, every step is a lesson, every breath a reminder. Guided by Venerable Ladhu Rapsil Rinpoche, Dharma friends from around the world walk together, not just through the mountains, but within themselves.
So if we go like short or longer, yeah? Yeah. So question is, we have two choices. A shorter one.
Longer. We have time. Longer.
또 근데 다른 분들이 좋든 다른 분들도 맞아.
Okay, how did you go?
I think first we go into the near, and after if you like go more, then
Okay.
Nature and Dharma are one. The changing winds, the silent trees, the flowing streams, they teach us impermanence, presence, and connection. At KLTL Retreat Center, this journey deepens, a sacred space for reflection, learning, and awakening. A place where Dharma and nature come together as one. To walk mindfully is to awaken. To listen deeply is to understand. To be present is to truly live.
Start then the new year, new with new aspiration and stuff. So this, yes, it's true, it's Mahakala, but it's a bit different than what he said to the end of the retreat.
지도 마하칼라 그 냠링라 라 인자인 타 송도와
To the groove. 29, you can walk out again. Yeah. To really receive and practice the transmission.
right.
Oh,
도야 또마자야 초마하고서나 레라고도 밤마고는 도콘노는 로중세거나 도제 뭐 돌아도 백깔을 가고
yeah. So beyond being able to know Tibetan, there's also some basic knowledge of the rituals. So that would mean what we would call a clarinet, this gyerling. You have to know how to play that. Then there's this big alphorn. You have a meditation belt, and then you keep sitting. So then, of course, you sleep, and then.
May we carry this wisdom forward with awareness, compassion, and an open heart.
Hello, my name is Eva and I'm from Austria and I'm part of this pilgrimage group. We're traveling together for 4 weeks. We have been to India 2 weeks and now we have our second week in Nepal, and it's a breathtaking landscape here. And this place here with the Rinpoche Lodro is very, very special, with all the flowers and all the nature around. So we are very, very happy to be here. And Rinpoche took a lot of time. He did a very nice hike today in the morning with us and showed us all the nature around. And yeah, I'm very glad to be here, and I hope that the new retreat center will get up, so perhaps I will come back in some years. Thank you so much.
Hi, my name is Galek. My original name is Dirk. I'm from Germany. Now I'm staying in Brazil. Now it's my second time over here, so I'm guiding a pilgrimage group from different countries, and the last one was 2 years ago, so we are back now. We are kind of really amazed how this place has developed. Actually, we are all very touched and moved by the presence of Lodro Rebso Rinpoche, so how he would welcome us here, how he is attending our questions, and how everybody is treating us. Even the cook is like really excellent, so everybody is really touched by all this love we are receiving here. So then, thank you so much to having received us here. So we are everybody really grateful for that.
My name is Marie-Laure. I come from France, and I'm very happy to be part of this pilgrimage. Our group is very international. We have 8 nationalities, and it makes that's something very special. Here in this place with Lodro Rinpoche, it's just amazing because it's such a resting and beautiful place. I look around and I see mountains, I can feel the air, the wind, the sun is just like sunset. It's absolutely amazing. And Lodro Rinpoche is very touching Rinpoche. He took such a time for us. He went for a walk this morning. He explained everything for the new building to be built and where the retreats will take place. And he answered a lot of questions we had with the group. He also talked about his life, and that's very touching. He's a very simple, humble and joyful person, and his company or his presence is very welcoming and warm. So I feel very grateful, very lucky to be here, and I would encourage everyone to take a few days or even weeks to stay here and rest and enjoy the scenery and the beauty of this place and the silence and everything. So thank you, thanks, and namaste.
Thank you for being a part of this journey.